Hello, my friends. It is bundle time. Now, what does bundle mean at the Stamps of Life? First of all, you need to be a club member. Second of all, on the first of each month, we release and ship our newest Stamp and Die Hard Club set. And those are right here. Woo! And a freebie this time for our Stamp and Die Hard Club. But we also release other items that are add-on items. Now, our club members know that the first 24 hours they're on our website, they are on flash sale. Woo-hoo-hoo. But we were always selling out of certain things. Like if we had 5 items, one would sell out and people would be sad. They'd be, it'd be awful, right? So what we started doing is we started bundling the brand new add-on items. These are not the club items you're getting shipped automatically. These are the add-on items. Not only are they on flash sale, but they're on bundle price, meaning I save a little bit of money because the warehouse doesn't have to pull each item off the shelf. So I give that savings to you. So you save an extra 5% on this bundle. What does that mean? Okay, so we have our everyday low price. Then we have our club price. Then we have our flash sale price. Actually, the flash sale price is first. Then the club price, because you get the discount off the flash sale. Then you get an extra 5% off. Right? Now, this time we've done something a little differently. Not only are you getting the extra 5% off and your club discount and the flash sale price and all of that good stuff, and this is until sold out, my friends. 24 hours or until sold out, just a heads up. This is something we've never done before. And my team's still trying to figure out how to do it, so it's kind of funny because I get these weird ideas, right? I designed something that I was going to turn into a stamp, right? And they were very large. And I thought, you know what? It's too big. I cannot charge you a stamp price for this big stamp because it's not really... I wasn't feeling the idea of making it a stamp because it would have been, no, it wasn't right? In my mind, I was like, no, I would be charging too much for this and it's not that much, but it makes an awesome digital download. That is true. It makes an awesome digital download. Now, we're going to release it to everybody that does not buy the bundle later this month. But for people that buy the bundle, you will get that digital download. It's an $8 value. You're going to get that digital download for free. Why? Because I can. Ha! Yes, you are getting the digital download for free because I love you. Anyway, really quick, I got to show you the bundle because I got to do, this is supposed to be a short video. So we have solids, we have mini aprons, we have dies, we have a background set that Barbara gave me the idea for. We have a fun barbecue mitt, perfect also for our barbecue, don't forget. And dun, 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 this is the die set you will need for the digital download. It is awesome. Go check it out. If you buy the bundle, you get the digital download for free. Why? Because I love you. Go check out the other video and I'll show you these things more. I'll see you soon. Bye. much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here, because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.